it's Michaela from Kayla Vinyls, and today I'm going to show you how to apply home decor vinyls. So for this you're going to need your vinyl and some transfer paper, which will come with your order. Whatever surface you're going to be applying it to, in this case I'm using flat surfaces. If you're going to be using a curved surfaces, subscribe because I'll be having more vinyl decal application videos coming soon. You'll also need some kind of flat object. I have a specialty scraper here, but you can easily use a credit card for this. So when your decal arrives, it'll come with a sheet of transfer paper. It may or may not be already attached to your decal. It depends on what design you order. So let's assume yours doesn't come attached. It will be cut to size. So all you need to do is just apply it to the decal with the sticky side down. Try and line up the bottom edge of the transfer paper to the bottom edge of the decal. It makes it easier for you to get a straight line when you go to apply it. So take your scraper, whatever you're using, whether it's a scraper, a popsicle stick, credit card, and smooth it firmly over the decal. And then flip it over and peel the backing off the decal. So there you have the reverse image. So make sure your surface is clean and dry. The best thing you can do is actually wipe it down with a bit of rubbing alcohol to make sure there's no oils. But if you don't, just cleaning it with some soap and water, rinsing it thoroughly, and letting it dry. So line up where you want it. I want mine down here in the corner. When you're sure you have it in the right position, press it down, first with your fingers, making sure there's no big air bubbles. Then take your scraper and fairly firmly rub over the entire decal. You're trying to make sure that the decal adheres really well to the surface. And you can slowly start to peel up. If you see that the pieces aren't sticking down, just put the transfer paper back, scrape it a little more, and try again. So try and keep the transfer paper as horizontal as you can. You want to have almost a complete fold over, and that helps the decal stick to your surface instead of sticking to the transfer paper. So go slowly, keeping an eye out, making sure that everything is adhering. And that's all there is to it. You're all set. So if you want to see some more videos on how to use vinyls, please subscribe. And if you like this video, found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. See you later.